Hi everyone, this is Soliton Systems. We are a video communication IP developer, and what we do is very unique. We develop very unique code on AUVSI H.265, such as authentication, end-to-end encryption, and multi-link bonding. Now what we do is we aggregate up to 4 cell networks to give you very stable and reliable video in very challenging network areas. This is our Zao-SH encoder, AUVSI H.265, and this is our decoder software that is on a Linux machine. Now in this demonstration, which is a closed network, we are remotely controlling this PTZ camera. Now this could be hundreds of miles away. This camera could be on a drone or any autonomous robot, and this controller could be in your command center or in a command vehicle. Now check this out. We are running 15 megs at 60 frames per second at a astonishing 35 milliseconds. And what this does is it opens up new possibilities such as remotely controlling autonomous vehicles, robotics, construction equipment, drones of course, and the possibility is limitless. For example, remote surgery. We're working on a few POCs for remote surgeries, and this enables doctors to remotely perform surgeries from hundreds of miles away.
Now, we would like to also show you that when you go to the very remote area, you cannot expect very good the modem, the bitrate, either with 4G or 5G. So in that case, I want to show you when the worst case is how does it look like. So I'm going to change the bitrate from 15 meg to the very low minimum is 128 kilo bps. So look at the bitrate now is dropping down, and still we got the 33 milliseconds, 60 frame, and still I'm controllable the PTZ camera through the LAN tunneling. So this is mean even though you go to the very low bitrate area, the LAN tunneling or serial tunneling, those connection didn't connect. So if we have a redundancy program in the back end, this is an ultra low latency and with very low bit transmission. Thank you very much.